Hi friends, I'm Barbara. Welcome back to my home sweet home. Today we're talking about a cleaning gadget that feels like it was made for real life, especially if you've got pets, a busy kitchen, or you just want that fresh floors feeling without turning it into a whole production. This is the Bissell CrossWave HydroSteam Deluxe 3-in-1, and the big promise is vacuum, wash, and steam all in one pass. I love it. So instead of doing the first I sweep, then I mop, then I go back for the sticky spot I missed routine, this is meant to help you do it all in one calm, efficient run. Now let's start with what makes the hydro steam part different. The idea is that it combines water plus steam to help loosen and dissolve messes. Think kitchen grease, dried splatters, and those little mystery paw prints or toddler prints that show up 5 minutes after you've cleaned. Bissell says it's stronger cleaning compared to steam only on greasy messes, based on their internal testing, of course. And I will say steam is one of those things that just changes the game when you want that deeper, fresher feeling. And yeah, this deluxe version includes a sanitized formula, which is a nice touch if you're the kind of person who likes to feel like your floors aren't just clean looking, they're actually clean. Now, if you're a pet home, listen, one of the most annoying things about floor cleaners is when the brush roll turns into a big old hair accessory, right? This one has a tangle-free brush roll designed to stop hair wrap. And that's a big deal for dog moms, because pet hair isn't just on the floor, it's in the corners. It's in the traffic lanes, somewhere it's in rooms the dogs don't even go in. I don't understand it. It's kind of like hairballs. The goal here is that it picks up the hair without you having to have to stop mid-clean and do the pull the hair off the roll like you're diffusing a bomb situation. And anything that keeps me moving forward without interruptions, well, that's a yes for me. Another feature I really like, because it's just smarter, is the dual tank system. This means it keeps the clean water separate from the dirty water, which is awesome. So you're not basically mopping your floor with yesterday's regret. You fill the clean tank, it uses fresh solution as you go, and the dirty water goes right into its own tank. It's one of those things that once you've used a dual tank system, you're like, wait, why would I ever want it any other way? It's also a little more satisfying because you can literally see what it picked up, equal parts gross and validating. Oh, okay, let's talk about the part that makes people actually use their cleaning tools more often. One-touch self-cleaning, because I know how it goes. If cleaning the cleaner is a whole chore, suddenly we're too busy to use it. With this one, you press a button and it runs a cycle to clean out the brush roll. Oh, I love it. Customers love this because it helps keep the machine fresh and ready to store without taking it apart and hand scrubbing everything. And here's my cozy real life tip. Run that self-cleaning cycle after each use, especially if you've done pet messes or kitchen spills. It's quick and it helps prevent that "why does my mop smell like it's holding a grudge" problem. Now, for surfaces, this is meant to be multi-surface, so it's great for tile, sealed wood, laminate, and other sealed hard floors. And it can also refresh area rugs and handle small carpet spills, especially if you go over the spot a couple times with the steam. Just keep expectations realistic. It's not trying to replace a full-size deep carpet cleaner, not at all, for wall-to-wall carpet. Think of it more like, I want my hardwood floors to look amazing, or my hard surface floors, all of them, and I want a helpful option for rugs and a quick carpet moment. That's where it shines. If you're wondering how I'd use this in a normal week, here's the rhythm. I'd grab it for kitchen floors after cooking, entryway floors after muddy shoes or paw prints, and those main walkways where life really happens. And because it's vacuuming and washing at the same time, that's crazy. I love it. It feels less like cleaning day and more like a simple reset, like making your bed, but for your floors. And I love anything that supports consistency without chaos, so it's just a big help. All right, friends, that's the Bissell CrossWave HydroSteam Deluxe 3-in-1. It's a really practical upgrade if you want one-pass cleaning. You've got pet hair and you like the idea of fresh water every time. Plus that self-cleaning button, it's the kind of feature that keeps you just coming back to it. And a friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link. At no extra cost to you, your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.